Alright, let's go ahead and do a cold start on these things. We'll start with the Articat. This is a 2012 Articat 700 diesel. This has glow plugs in it. This is a twin cylinder. Polaris is a 99 455 single cylinder, no glow plugs. I'm working on putting glow plugs in that thing, but I don't have them yet. So. Let's see how this thing starts. Glow plugs are off. There she goes. Sometimes she likes a little throttle. Turn out the throttle to warm her up. Oh, don't do much. Yeah. Go ahead. See how the Polaris Diesel does. I might have to charge the battery, I don't know, or boost it. I haven't had it running since yesterday. This thing has kind of weak batteries in it. You know what, this likes a little throttle here, so. No glow plugs. I'm getting there. Well, let's see if a little extra cranking power will help out this Polaris. That boost. Ah, finally. I would say the cat starts much better. Only one battery in the Articat too. That's got two. But they are weak.